Hello friends, today we are going to do the unboxing and review of Tribit X-Free Tune headsets. Now these are wireless hi-fi stereo headsets. So without wasting much time, let's get into the unboxing. So the headphones come in a case, a very good hard case. You can see the Tribit logo here. Okay, they open almost 360 degrees. We have some documents. And we have the headphones inside plastic. They look cool actually. They look premium. The headphones as it is, they look very premium. The opening and folding of the headphone is also very cool. Did you hear that? The Tribit logo with some design. And the earmuffs are very soft. Now, let me test the music quality of these headphones. I'll try some bass boosted songs or bass boosted songs to here we go. We have some bass boosted songs. Oh, superb. The bass quality is really superb. Oh, the bass quality is really superb. Actually, I didn't expect this kind of music from a budget headphones. Actually, we can't call it a budget headphones. These are mid-range headphones and maybe an affordable range of headphones. But the music quality is really superb. Let me listen to another song. Just to understand the highs and lows. So I listen to Kehta Hai Mera Dil. I think many people know this song from Jeans. Oh, superb. It's really awesome actually. The highs, the lows, and the mids are crystal clearly distinguishable. These are awesome headphones. Hmm. Why didn't I buy this earlier? So the music quality is amazingly superb. Actually, I'm surprised in a really positive way. So the music quality should get a 10 out of 10 easily. Now, let us talk about the build quality of these headsets. These are about $50 or about 4000 rupees on Amazon. But the quality of the build materials used here look much more premium than the price they cost. They are built with very premium materials and they feel premium to hold in the hands. The over ear sponges are very soft and they seem to be very durable. Towards one side of the headphones, you have the power on off button, and towards the other side, you have the volume rockers. And towards the bottom of the headphones, you have the 3 mm jack, audio jack, and the charging port, together with some of the LED notification buttons. I don't know if you can see this, but I will switch them on. So you can see the LED notification lights at the bottom of the headphones. Now let's talk about the good things and not so good things about these headphones. The first thing which I love is the superior sound quality. The superior music quality gets a solid 10 out of 10. The second part is the practicality. These are foldable and come with a very good quality carry case, and the practicality is a solid 8 out of 10. And the next thing is the battery quality. The battery quality is above average and decent, and not 40 hours as claimed in the Amazon. But the battery quality according to my testing came somewhere between 20 to 24 hours, and the battery quality or the battery performance is a 8 out of 10 again. And the next thing is the build quality of this one. The build quality, I really loved it, and it's a 9 out of 10 for the build quality. And the next good thing is the comfort. They are very comfortable to wear, and I'll show it to you how they look on ears. They are over ear headphones and they easily fit to any head size. So this is to give you an idea of how they look on ears. They clearly cover your ears, and the comfort level is good, and I would give the comfort level a 8 out of 10. Now coming to the not so good things about these headsets. The first not so good thing I didn't like about them is the bulk they carry. Now, this cannot be exactly flaunted as a lifestyle accessory. You can look at the size they add on to the personality. So, they cannot be flaunted as lifestyle accessories, and they are a little bit bulky to my taste, and that's the first not so good thing. The second not so good thing is that there are fingerprint magnets. So, fingerprints are caught very easily and they're a bit difficult to clean off, but it should not be a deal breaker and it should be fine. Now coming to the final verdict of the product. The Tribit X3 Tune headsets are a great pair of headsets for watching movies, listening to music and attending calls. So I would strongly recommend to buy them, and I would give them a solid 10 out of 10 for the value for money proposition. Thank you.